Hi there everybody, I'm Ashley and this is a product introduction video for Ink2Paper's July 2019 release. And in this video I'm going to be introducing to you Simply Sweet Hello stamp set and the coordinating dies designed by Melissa Bickford. And this stamp set comes on a 1 4x6 sheet and with the label affixed, the carrier sheet attached, and it does come in our awesome hold and fold storage case. And this stamp set is a part of the Simply Sweet series, so this one is all about the word hello. You get the text block here for each of the letters that you can use. There are also multiple different floral options. You can stamp the flowers individually. You have a large, a medium, a small, and a tinier one. You have 3 different leaf options here. And then you have these two corner options for flowers as well. In addition to that, you also have these negative versions of the flowers where you have the blocks where you can insert these floral designs in these flowers directly into these little negative spots, and it creates a really cool look. There are also a lot of different sentiments in this set. I'll read them off to you. Hello is written, of course, in the text blocks. You have hello in this font that's a little bit smaller, so it gives you another option. Then you have this cursive hello. You also have sweet, and then you have a happy day. Okay, so these all pair with the word hello. How are you? It's a question. I'm thinking of you. Just wanted to say sunshine, like hello sunshine. A happy friend, and then just a little note to say. So these are the different options that you can have in this stamp set, and a great way to send a cute hello card to your friends or family members. This stamp set retails for $16. You can also get the coordinating dies here. There are, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 dies included in this stamp set here. You get the blocks here that coordinate with the hello. So you can cut those out, and then you also can use these blocks here for these floral components right there. You get these 2 flower dies and then the 3 leaf dies, and the die collection retails for $5. So it's a great add-on to the $16 stamp set. All right, so let's take a look at what I stamped. Here it is. I kind of did a little bit more watercoloring. I was having a good time watercoloring, and I stamped the hello and the flowers and just watercolored over, but just a little note to say hello, and it's a really cute way to use the stamp set in a simple, quick and easy card. So that is the product introduction for Simply Sweet Hello stamp set and the coordinating dies. Again, you can get these on Monday, July 15th at 10 p.m. Eastern time at ink2paper.com. And don't forget, dies are $5 and the stamp set $16. Thanks so much for watching. You guys have a great day. Bye.